Hello guys, it's me Nicholas again, and today I'm going to show you how fast my fidget spinner goes. It's just a regular fidget spinner, not any random colors and that. Just a regular one. And also it's brand new, I just bought it 1 second ago. And yeah. So, if you want one of these fidget spinners, any color, lighted up ones, metal ones, I have them in Summer Secret where nobody knows. And yeah, I'm gonna give away some. And if you want one, just subscribe down below, click the like button, and just write in the comments below I subscribed. Okay? And I'll give you guys one of these fidget spinners. Okay? So first we're gonna time it. Okay? Here's my phone. And now I'm gonna open it. I have a password. See? Password. And sorry guys, but I'm not allowed to show you the password. So here's my stopwatch. Okay? I'm gonna put it here. Okay? This is the fidget spinner. Look down here. Like, oh sorry. I did not mean that. Sorry again. Sorry again. Wait guys. Cause it's not staying. But it has to stay like this. Yeah, there. Will it stay? No. There we go. Got it. So I'm gonna spin it. The stopwatch is just behind there. Cause I couldn't keep the phone. 3, 2, 1, go. So look. I'm just gonna put this right here. It's a 1 minute. Still spinning. Still spinning. Still spinning. Still spinning. Still spinning. Still spinning. It's starting to slow down, guys. See? Still spinning. Still spinning, still spinning, still spinning, still spinning, still spinning, still spinning. See, it's still spinning. It's gonna stop. 3, 2, 1. Stop. So look how much that went for. 2 minutes and 42. Okay, write in the comments below if your fidget spinner, if you have one, can go more than 2 minutes and 42. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how fast it could go. We're only spinning it once, and listen. 3, 2, 1, go. Look at that. See? Okay, sorry about that fall. See, look at that. Got fast to go. Now look, I'm holding it on one finger, no? Aren't I? Can you do that, guys? Tell me in the comments below, and please make sure, if you could, do a video, your own video with a fidget spinner. So that's the video ended. So bye bye.